In today's digital landscape, building a personal brand has become more crucial than ever. With countless voices vying for attention online, a strong personal brand helps you stand out, establish credibility, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or simply looking to enhance your online presence, personal branding can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Leveraging AI tools for brand development can significantly amplify your efforts. These innovative technologies can help you analyze trends, optimize your content, and even automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your message and your audience. Imagine having insights at your fingertips that guide your branding decisions, making your journey smoother and more effective. Understanding personal branding. Personal branding is the practice of marketing yourself and your career as a brand. This concept has become more relevant as individuals and businesses navigate an increasingly digital world. A strong personal brand not only helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace, but also builds trust and credibility with your audience. It's about showcasing your unique skills, values, and personality, allowing you to connect authentically with others. In today's online landscape, a well-defined personal brand can significantly enhance your online presence. It helps you attract opportunities, whether that's landing a job, gaining clients, or growing your network. People are more likely to engage with someone who has a clear and compelling brand identity. AI plays a pivotal role in shaping and managing personal brands. From content creation to social media analytics, AI tools can help you understand your audience better and tailor your messaging accordingly. By leveraging these technologies, you can refine your brand strategy, ensuring it resonates with your target audience and stands out in the digital realm. AI tools for personal branding. Building a personal brand can be made significantly easier with the right AI tools. Popular options like Canva, Jasper, and Hootsuite are excellent resources for anyone looking to enhance their branding efforts. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals for social media, websites, and marketing materials. Its templates and design features streamline the creative process, making it accessible even for those without design experience. Jasper, an AI writing assistant, helps you generate engaging content tailored to your audience. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, Jasper can save you time and ensure your messaging is on point. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that simplifies scheduling and analyzing your posts across various channels. It helps you maintain a consistent online presence, which is crucial for effective personal branding. Successful brands like HubSpot and Buffer utilize these tools to enhance their visibility and engagement, demonstrating the power of AI in personal branding. By incorporating these tools into your strategy, you can elevate your brand and connect with your audience more effectively. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have this information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Creating engaging content. Creating content that resonates with your audience is essential for building a strong personal brand. Authentic and relatable content fosters a genuine connection, making your audience feel seen and understood. When you share your personal experiences, insights, and values, you invite others to engage with your story, which can lead to a loyal following. Utilizing AI for content generation and optimization can significantly enhance your efforts. AI tools can help you brainstorm ideas, refine your messaging, and even analyze what types of content perform best with your audience. This data-driven approach allows you to create more targeted and impactful content that aligns with your audience's interests. Additionally, don't shy away from experimenting with different content formats. Whether it's videos, podcasts, infographics, or blog posts, varying your content can keep your audience engaged and curious. Each format offers unique ways to convey your message and can attract different segments of your audience. By combining authenticity, AI insights, and diverse formats, you can create compelling content that truly resonates with your viewers. Leveraging social media. social media platforms play a pivotal role in enhancing personal branding. Key platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok offer unique opportunities to showcase your personality, expertise, and creativity. Each platform caters to different audiences, so it's essential to choose the ones that align with your brand and goals. AI technology can significantly aid in analyzing audience engagement and trends across these platforms. By utilizing AI-driven analytics tools, you can gain insights into what content resonates most with your followers, allowing you to tailor your strategy accordingly. Understanding these trends helps you stay relevant and effectively engage with your audience. Consistency is crucial when it comes to social media. Regular posting keeps your brand top of mind and demonstrates your commitment to your audience. Additionally, actively interacting with your followers, responding to comments, participating in discussions, and sharing user-generated content fosters a sense of community. By leveraging social media effectively, you can build a strong personal brand that resonates with your audience and drives meaningful connections. Measuring your brand's success, tracking and measuring the effectiveness of your personal brand is essential for ongoing growth and improvement. Key metrics to evaluate include brand awareness, audience engagement, and conversion rates. Monitoring how many people are interacting with your content, sharing it, or following your profiles can provide valuable insights into your brand's reach and impact. Utilizing AI analytics tools can enhance your ability to gather data-driven insights. These tools can analyze engagement patterns, identify your most successful content, and even predict future trends based on audience behavior. By leveraging this technology, you can make informed decisions that align with your branding goals. Regular assessment of your branding strategies is crucial. Set aside time to review your metrics and reflect on what's working and what isn't. This ongoing evaluation allows you to adjust your approach, ensuring that your brand remains relevant and effective. By consistently measuring your brand's success, you can refine your strategies, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately achieve your branding objectives. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.